Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel today. In this video, I'll share with you 5 simple tips that you can start using today to show yourself some love. 1. Be kind to yourself. One of the most important things you can do for yourself is to be kind to yourself. This means talking to yourself in a gentle and compassionate way, even when you make mistakes. It also means accepting your flaws and imperfections and not comparing yourself to others. 2. Take care of your physical health. Eating healthy foods, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly are all important ways to take care of your physical health. When you take care of your physical health, you're also taking care of your mental health. 3. Spend time doing things you enjoy. One of the best ways to show yourself some love is to spend time doing things you enjoy. This could mean reading, taking a bath, listening to music, or spending time in nature. Whatever you enjoy doing, make sure to make time for it in your day. 4. Set boundaries. It's important to set boundaries with others so that you can protect your time and energy. This means saying no to things you don't want to do and not letting others take advantage of you. 5. Forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. It's important to forgive yourself for your mistakes and not let them hold you back. Remember, you're human and you're allowed to make mistakes. Those are 5 simple ways to show yourself some love. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. So don't be afraid to start small and just keep taking steps in the right direction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time.